Alright, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
Right, okay. Right, keep their heads down for the next group. 1, go. Should we go? Should we go for it? Fire in the hole! Right, move up, move up. Wait, we can catch it. Oi!
Smoke grenade in the wood. One in the wood pile. Some smoke. Yeah, I'm going down with the smoke. Got someone! Guys, get down, get down. Wait. That's coming up on the left. It lasted fucking 5 minutes. Yeah, it didn't last that long, the other one. It only lasted like 5 minutes. In theory. Exactly. No, George, what are you doing? I've got hit on the lip. Oh, for God's sake, George. George, can I have your go? Got side. You're moving forward because there's water there. Give it to me. Run, get out. Quick moving. Keep your hands up. Nice and high, George. Guys, I've got a sight now. Cool. Go. Oh. Rebound off our wood. Do they count? No, the rebounds don't count. So come on that side. Keep it on that side, keep it on that side. Meal coming up. Where is it? Behind that little bit of wood. It's only me. I'd stay down, Pat. No, you're not allowed out before. They're coming up, guys. Josh? He's in the car. I think we should... Jeffro? Yeah? Nice. I'm sorry, have I just wrecked that clip? Nah. Oh, I stung my ass on fingernails! Oh, is it so loud? Yeah, it is. I'm just deafened to the noise. Josh! Can you give me covering fire? I bet it's covering fire. He's in the car, he'll be a bit stuck. Check that. Is he a bit stuck? Steady, steady, you want to move back a bit? They're shooting under the trailer. Watch yourself. Hey, steady! I can't hump you in the... I have one. One of you's out! Emil's out. Get down! Move up! Oh, Josh, you did that, mate! Yeah.
Shit, which way am I going to go?
Left.
There you go, Johnny, out your gap. Fuck off, that didn't hit me.
Huh.
Let's drop! Yeah. Come on. Shit. I'll take you home.